Hello, welcome to our social studies class. My name is Miss Kelly Grzelski, and this video is for students in hour 1 of social studies and also hour 2. So I'm going to make this video for both of you. The purpose of the video is to welcome you. I'm so honored to be your teacher. Some of you I know from last year, some of you are new to me, so I can't wait to get to meet you and to start learning. I also want to show you who's in our class, and then I want to show you when we will meet in the day, and then I want to show your families how you can Zoom with me tomorrow night on Wednesday, September 2nd during our open house. So first things first, who is in the class? So let me move myself. Got to move myself around. This is our first hour class. So the students in the class are Adrian, Gayla Soang, Miley, Rohan, Rojan, Tuka, Emily, Ladahua, Daniela, Egina, Fernando, Genesis, Maria, Biswadip, La Aishur, James A. Shui, Angelina and Kona. Welcome to the first hour class. I will see you first thing in the day. Second hour class, we have Ishnaha, Aryam, Rabin, Salin, I need help knowing how to pronounce that. Eso, Tuloy, Miguel, Rachel, Haiku, Christo, La Sa Shi. I heard a rumor that you might have another name that you go by, so you can let me know that. Kamala, Sajan, and Delilah. So welcome to our social studies class. I am thrilled to teach you. So we have class first and second hour, and I really want you to understand how your schedule is going to work. So you can see this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And we are going to meet during this first time. So between 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. So on Mondays, I'm going to see the first hour group on Zoom from 9 to 10. Then on Tuesdays, I'm going to see the second hour group from 9 to 10. Wednesday, there's going to be work for you to do by yourself at home. And then we'll also have some help sessions on Zoom if you'd like some help on your work. On Thursday, I'm going to see first hour again from 9 to 10. And then Friday, I see second hour again. So each class, we get to have class 2 times a week, either Monday and Thursday or Tuesday and Friday. We are doing that so that students only have 4 classes each day to do, and hopefully that will help you stay organized and help you keep track of your time better. Now let's look what's going on at 2 to 3. From 2 to 3 o'clock, I will be sitting here in my house in Minneapolis, and I will be waiting to talk to you on Zoom. So let's pretend that maybe you didn't finish your work during class and you want to come back and do some with me. You could come from 2 to 3. Or maybe you have some questions and you want to work then. Maybe there's a paraprofessional like Miss Kate or Miss Terry who you want to work with, and they could work with you during the office hour. So you should know I have an adorable cat, and she's around here. You'll be seeing lots of her. Her name's Patches. She doesn't like it when I pick her up, if you couldn't tell. But you'll see her. She'll be making appearances during lots of my videos. Okay. The last thing I want to communicate is about our open house. Tomorrow is September 2nd, and we are going to have an open house, and it's all from your house on Zoom. So all you need is your iPad or a device. Now, if you're a 7th grader, tomorrow you're invited to come to Rams to get your iPad. You can come as early as 7:30 in the morning, and you can come like all the way to 6 at night. So please come to Rams to get your iPad, and that will get you on the road for success this school year. The main thing that you need to know is that you are invited to do two things during the open house. You're invited to talk and ask questions or listen to people ask questions of the administrators. That means the principals and the assistant principals. You can come to their Zoom session here, and if you have a last name A to L, we're asking you to come to the early session, 6 to 6:45. If you have a last name M to Z, you can come to the later session. But if you don't have that much time and you need to come at 6 o'clock, even though your last name starts with S, then that's fine. But we're just trying to divide up the time a little bit more organized. Okay, now this is the part that I think you'll be excited about. You'll be able to meet all of your teachers. So let's pretend you have Mr. Jacques Pinot for English class. Many of you do. So you'd click on his name, you see this link, and you would open it. That's his Zoom link. So that's how you go to his Zoom room. You can say hello to him for a few minutes, and then you can switch to another teacher. I'll show you where I am. I'm Grzelski, so I'm down here. So you just click on my name and you can go to my Zoom room. I will be waiting there for you. So tomorrow night, all the teachers will have their links ready to go, and you can meet them. If you don't have time tomorrow night to meet your teachers, you can always email them. You can also reach out to them on Schoology if your Schoology is working, and then definitely next week we will get going. One last thing I want you to know is next Tuesday is only for 7th graders. So 8th graders, you get one more day of summer. You don't have to do anything next Tuesday, September 8th. 7th grade, we will be seeing you. So I'll see my second hour 7th graders. Let's go back to the schedule of when we do school. Okay, so next Tuesday, September 7th is a B day. So I'm going to see second hour. I will see the students in 7th grade in second hour. And I'll see you for about an hour. Then you're going to go to your 4th hour Zoom class, your 6th hour Zoom class, and then STAR. Wednesday, everyone has asynchronous, so that's a learn on your own. And you'll be watching little videos about the different teachers. While you're doing that, all of the teachers will have lots of meetings to get organized. Then on Thursday is the first day that we'll have all the 7th and 8th graders together. Thursday, you'll go to your 1st hour, 3rd hour, 5th, and 7th. And then, let me move this over. On Friday, you'll go to your 2nd hour, 4th hour, 6th hour, and then STAR. On all the days, the teachers will have their office hours between 2 and 3. So getting to know this schedule will be very different for all of us. We've never done this schedule before. I am very happy because I think that it will help us stay organized, and we'll get to have actual live classes this year where you guys get to see each other and work together and talk. So I think it'll be better than in the spring, which was sometimes a little lonely, a little boring at times because you wanted to see each other and we wanted to see you. So that's why we decided to make this change so we can be together. Okay, have so much fun with the rest of your days of summer, and please come by tomorrow night to say hi to me during the open house.